Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what we have for you out here is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and from the front it will look like any traditional Samsung smartphone that we are used to seeing. It's got the power button and the volume rocker, but what you will notice that's different is the camera stack up at the back, and that is where this smartphone gets a little unique. It's got a 48 megapixel primary camera with OIS and an f2.0 aperture. It has a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with an f2.2 aperture and a 5 megapixel macro camera with an f2.4 aperture. It has a 4500 mAh battery with support for 25 watt fast charging, and up front it has the same display we have seen on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which is a 6.7 inch full HD plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display. It's also available in two variations, the 6GB RAM variant and an 8GB RAM variant with 128GB of built-in storage. Overall, it has the One UI running on Android 10, and it feels just like a Samsung phone would. What we actually are waiting to see is how it is priced in India. As you can see, it's already a fingerprint magnet at the back. It's available in three colors. The one I have with me is the Prism Black, but it's also available in Prism Blue and Prism White, which are scattered all over this desk out here. And like I said, the most interesting thing will be to see where it is priced and where it fits into the entire Samsung's S series of ecosystem of devices. So you have the S10, which is the flagship smartphone series. You have the Note 10, which is the flagship phablet, with the S Pen, which you do get on the Note 10 Lite as well. But with this one, it's all based on the price as to see where it fits in, how much of a compromise it is from the flagship S10, based on the display, based on the camera, based on the performance, based on the battery life. So that's all something that we will see when we get this smartphone in for review. But until then, this was a quick look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite from the show floor here at CES 2020. And more from CES and the world of technology, you can stay tuned to Digit.in.